And again, a manslaughter conviction is now that possible outcome in this trial, but that is one of several the jury can decide. 13 on your side's Lauren Baker joins us now with the other possible outcomes of this trial. Lauren.
Juliet, there are possibly 4 different outcomes in this trial. We could see Schurr convicted of second-degree murder, convicted of voluntary manslaughter, found innocent, or we could have a hung jury. The majority of this trial has focused on the second-degree murder charge or the acquittal of Schurr. And just recently, voluntary manslaughter came into play, but there is always a possibility that this case could end up with a hung jury. What that basically means is that the jury could not come to a unanimous conclusion of whether or not Schurr is guilty. Attorney Tanya Krause-Phelan says that only happens if the jury is in a true deadlock and there is no way to know how long the jury will deliberate.
There's no way to know how long the jurors will deliberate. Jurors might come back really quickly, or they might take several days to go through this. And if at some point during the deliberations, the jurors can't reach a consensus, they may actually come out to the judge and say, hey, we're split, we can't agree. And judges normally, the first time a jury does that, in any case, the judge usually will say, hey, we get that this is difficult, but you heard the testimony, you saw the evidence, it's your responsibility to go back and continue deliberating with respect and due diligence and try to reach a verdict.
And if the judge declares a mistrial because of a hung jury, the prosecution would decide whether or not if they want to go forward with a second trial. If they don't want to do that, they could offer plea agreements to a reduce of charges. In the newsroom, Lauren Baker, 13 on your side.
And stay with 13 on your side because we are ready for the verdict when it comes in. We will carry it live on our air and on our streaming app, 13 Plus. We'll also have expert reaction. We'll hear from the community as well. You can also re-watch the entire trial on demand on 13 Plus. You can download it on your TV and watch for free.